Here's the thing, if you're downtown and you're repelling a flock of birds, where are those birds going? Hopefully to the site of your next bird contract, right? When somebody else somewhere nearby ends up with a bird issue, they'll know who to call. Make sure you're taking adequate notes about what kind of bird you're treating, how many birds you're treating. Take notes during your survey process, right? You want to make sure that you get out and actually take a look at the job before you actually finalize the contract.